Good mighty morning, owls. This is Miss Weiner. Today is Thursday, April 29th, 2021. Please rise and help me recite the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing and help me recite the Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one, indivisible. Now it's time for the Owl Pledge. Say it with me. I will succeed in school with wisdom and with knowledge. I'll give 100%. I will go to college. I'll do whatever it takes, just like my parents do. I'll sweat the small stuff, just like my teachers do. I'll give no excuses. Each and every day, I'll close the achievement gap, working hard in every way. With my team and family, I give my Owl Pledge. I will succeed in school with wisdom and knowledge. Go Owls! Hoot hoot! Now for a moment of silence. You may be seated. As you know, IDS South Florida Academy is the best elementary school in the state of Texas. Good things happen here every day. Here's some things that happened yesterday. We saw some amazing scholars doing all of their work throughout the day, and not only that, but they mastered their exit tickets. Nice job, scholars. Keep up the good work. Also, scholars, you are doing a great job of keeping your cameras on, participating in class, and coming to school every day. So, scholars, today is a great day to learn. We'll see you in the classroom. Hoot hoot!